You know, Ajimobi máa ṣẹ̀wọ̀n lẹ́yìn ìjọba. I know, Ajimobi máa ṣẹ̀wọ̀n lẹ́yìn ìjọba.
Gbogbo ilé ẹ̀kọ́ gíga ó yẹ kán lè máa rówó ara wọn sọ́nbẹ̀. Ó ta ti ń fún àwọn tíṣà ti pọ̀jù tó fi mánéjẹ̀. Káwọn náà wọ́nà kan máa ṣe gbogbo skul yòókù àwọn bákọ́ọ̀kì gbogbo wọn wà ń bẹ̀ náà. Wọn kò sì jọba òun fún wọn lówó. Àwọn náà kan wọ́nà bí wọ́n á ṣe máa rí owó. N ta fẹ́ ṣe nìyẹn.
You know, Ajimobi máa ṣẹ̀wọ̀n lẹ́yìn ìjọba. I know, Ajimobi máa ṣẹ̀wọ̀n lẹ́yìn ìjọba.
Ta ló fẹ́ lè mọ́ ṣé mi ni? Èmi kọ́ náà. Ṣé mi ni? Èmi ni? Èmi ni?
This is all we can get. This is gunshot against Ado Capital University of Technology students.
Ta ló fẹ́ lè mọ́ ṣé mi ni? Àdúró dé yìí. Ohun tó bá fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀, ẹ jẹ́ kó ṣẹlẹ̀.
That is the Nigerian police shooting against the students. They are shooting at us. They are ready to kill us.
Ó yẹ kẹ́ ní little respect for constituted authority, no matter what.
This is a society of megalomaniacs.
Ṣé mi ni? Èmi ni?
People who don't have the interests of the public at heart at all.
Gbogbo àyẹ̀ wá síbi. Gbogbo àyẹ̀.
The campus has been shut down due to the workers' industry action.
Èmi kọ́ ló ti school náà.
And the workers were on strike because of government irresponsibility to not only fund the education system, to not only fund LAUTECH as an institution, but of course to also pay their salaries.
Fílẹ̀.
The very funny thing is that Tinubu happens to be the chancellor of this university.
So what?
We will keep
Kí
talking.
màá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ náà nìyí mélòó nìyí?
But one day, the son of the oppressed will stand against the oppressor and we will push them to a particular wall.
Tó bá wá jẹ́ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ máa bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ nìyẹn. Ṣé rí gbogbo ohun tó bá fẹ́ ṣe ẹ lọ ṣe?
Nigeria's democracy might have come by bloodless negotiation, but one thing is certain: Nigeria's salvation shall obviously come by bloody revolution.
Ṣé èmi ni mo ti school yìí ni?
They are selling these schools to their friends, to their stalwarts, to their cohorts.
The reality on ground ni pé number one. The management, the Oyo state government and many governments, they lack fund.
It will shock you to know that the government has not funded LAUTECH for the past 22 months.
Kí ló ń kà? What course are you doing? What course are you doing?
The day I got so vexed was the day I saw Abimbola Ajimobi on YouTube. She was spending hard currency like someone who was under the influence of hard drugs. She was spending money at a party in UK, but her father, who is in this secretariat, cannot pay salaries.
Even if I don't pay salaries, I don't pay this, the fact is that I'm the constituted authority.
It is very, very pathetic.
Then I'm not going to talk about it. This is the constituted authority for Oyo State.
A party that cannot manage just a university, I am very sure would not manage Nigeria.
And that is what, as Nigerians, we must be prepared to sacrifice for. To unseat all government of looters, whether organized as APC or PDP, whether organized as a mega party or another mega fraud, every one of them must be unseated from the seat of power. And the Nigerian poor people, the workers of this state, the workers of Nigeria, the downtrodden majority must organize themselves into a real political platform that is able to unseat the party of the oppressors, the party of the rich minority.